Hi, my name is JJ with IMS Printing Signs in Littleton, Colorado. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to apply a small sign to a wall using VHB tape. So here we have a small ADA panel with raised tactile lettering and braille. So step one is to apply VHB tape to the back of this. So we like using actual 3M VHB tape. So I always prefer applying our strips vertically to the panel. So we'll do a full height strip on the left, one on the right. Press it down. So there you have the 3M VHB tape on the back of the panel. And then step two that I like to do is get a little piece of tape to serve as a baseline. We'll measure this down. We'll just pretend that we're going to install this 12 inches below this sign. So apply a nice baseline there. Then on the back of the panel, using something a little bit sharp, we'll just get the tape started. Peel that off to expose the tape. Then using your level, we'll find level here on our baseline. Start by putting the panel kind of leaning away from the wall like that. And then as long as you're happy with the left-right positioning and the height, just press it firmly in place. Take that off, and there's your sign. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.